It could be the famous park in Costa Rica. Podría ser el parque más famoso en mi país. Some different movies that they film around here. Distintas películas se han filmado por acá. Hasta Jurassic Park, the first movie. La primera película del Parque Jurásico. Carried when we're talking about the environment protection and natural resources. A los congos les encantan esos frutos. A little dinosaur, he said. It is.
Oh, good.
But you don't mind catching him?
And you're touching him?
Yeah.
Why?
It's not problem if you have caught, could be dangerous for you, or if you don't wash your hands and then you got something, you'll be intoxicated. You see?
O sea que viene principalmente de la toxina del hongo.
Exactamente.
Oh,
Científico.
look at that color. Beautiful color. Sky is beautiful.
Es endémico de mi país, es endémico y de esta zona. No, en realidad.
Wo sie gehen, da hinten hingehen?
Cut a lot of different trees. The reason is because they have a mushroom there inside of the anthill. When the mushroom is ripe, they start to eat the mushroom. That's the reason that we call the perfect farmer on the forest. They have only one queen. The queen side is really big, it's this side, could be, but the queen never go out to the anthill. Okay, as you can see right here, right now, there are workers, soldiers, and another one, there are small ones that we call like a minimas or small ones, right here on the leaf. Because they stay on the leaf, cleaning the leaf, before to go there inside of the anthill. Okay, in case of the queen die, all the colony die with the queen. Why? Because only the queen lay eggs every day. Of course, the queen lay more special eggs than the queen. They pick up a piece of ground and they use a special glue that they have in the mouth and they build this anthill. Okay?
Oh.
It seems an unsafe place for it.
Yes. Right.
You know, people like you come along and touch it.
See it? They are very, very strong. Okay?
Swing out there.
I can't.
Take a run.
No, thank you.
Come on.
¿Sí aguanta?
Okay, go for a swing.
1, 2.
Just push.
Who's next?
Okay, I have a question for everybody. What do? You get lost in the forest?